Hey guys, welcome to my texturing tutorial. In this video, I'll show you step by step how to add textures to the 3D model of a book in Blender. Let's get started. In our previous tutorial, we created the 3D model of a book. If you missed that, kindly watch that first by clicking the link at the top of your screen. Let's get back to this video. Firstly, you click the pages of the book, then add a new material, drag your timeline up and change it to shader editor. You need to turn on your Node Wrangler add-on. Go to Edit, Preferences, and then click on Add-on. Type in Node and you'll see the add-on, and then you click it to turn it on. Click on the principled BSDF and then press Ctrl T. This adds the image texture with the texture coordinate and mapping node. Click Open to locate your image texture. Turn on the material view mode to see the texture applied. As we can see from this, the page's texture is not applied correctly. What we can do is add another display, change it to UV editor. Make sure your pages is selected, then press tab to go to edit mode. Press A to select all faces. This will show up the faces in the UV editor. Select all faces in the UV editor and then rotate 90 degrees. Then scale it up to capture most part of the image. Now we can see that this looks like real book pages. Next, we'll select the cover of the book and then add a new material. The texture used for this is called PBR material. It contains 5 or more images instead of the single image used for the pages of the book. These textures can be gotten from sites like this. Now to open the textures, instead of pressing Ctrl T, this time we'll press Ctrl Shift T. This opens the dialog box and then we locate where the folder is. We can select all 5 images there, then press Enter to apply. This loads up immediately. We can see from our shader editor what images were connected. Here is our mapping. Here is the base color connected to the base color. Here is the roughness connected to the roughness. The displacement connected to the displacement map and then to the output displacement. The normal connected to the normal map, then to the normal. We can change it from UV to object for better placement of the texture. Now we can change it to rendered mode. We can see that it is dark. What we'll do is change it from object to world and then click the background node and press Ctrl T. Then click Open to add an HDRI. And now brightness is added. We can close off the unnecessary displays and then turn on the transparent background. Add a plane. Scale it up, select edge and then extrude, select edge and then bevel. Make sure the plane is locked, then select the book and move it upwards. Then we can duplicate and arrange to taste. Press Ctrl Alt numpad 0 to switch camera to view. Press N to open the sidebar. In the View tab, select Camera to View. This will help us to move around while in camera view mode. Once you've adjusted to your preferred view, change your render engine from Eevee to Cycles, then render out your image. Thank you so much for sticking with me till the end. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a like and subscribe for more content like this. I'll see you in the next tutorial.